What's going on, y'all? I'm about to show you a site that has been around literally 15 years and it is still paying today. It is one of the most legit get paid to sites out there, so you must sign up now, and I'm about to show you why. Okay, so here's the site right here. It's called Ysense. I will leave the link to this site in the description. Like I said, it's a very stable, legit site. It's been around for over 15 years, so I really recommend you sign up for this. And there's always a question of, what sites are legit, what sites are not. This is definitely one of the ones that are at the top of the list when it comes to, being legit. Just because it's been around for so long and it's still continuing to pay. So I want to show you I've been a member of this site since 2009. So it's been a very long time. I kind of stopped using the site for a while because at one point they changed the names, and I kind of just was getting lost or whatever. I was, in the process of trying to build so many other things, but now I'm back on it. I'm using it again. I'm really happy. I just started using it, maybe this morning or actually last night. I made $1.67. So I'm going to show you, some things that, I've been kind of playing around with and, using on this site. If you go over here to surveys, you go to complete surveys, they have a lot of different surveys that you can take, variety of surveys here. I mean, they're all paying, really good, all pretty much like what, 53 cent, 15 minutes. They got what, 15 minutes, 15-minute surveys for $2, 250. One thing that I did find out is when it says featured, that means you have a high chance of qualifying for it. So I got a high chance of $2, 250, a dollar, 350. You know what I'm saying? This is for 5 minutes. So I mean, 4 minute survey, a dollar. I mean, these are surveys that are really good as far as the paying out and the time, because you know the name of the game is really trying to find surveys that are worth the time. You don't want to take, an hour survey for 30 cents. You want to try to find, surveys that are really worth your time. And I feel like most of the surveys they have on here are worth the time. So definitely try those, especially try to feature ones out first. That way you can, get your account built up faster. One thing I do want to show you here, you go to surveys again and go to submit receipts. You can actually get paid to take pictures of your receipt. You get 2 cents for every receipt that you have. And if you know me, I'm making lots of videos on how to make money with receipts. This is just another website that is going to allow you to make money with that. So, I mean, definitely get involved in that. Even if you struggle with surveys, I mean, taking pictures of your receipt and submitting it on this website, that's an easy way to make money. All right. So that's a survey part of this website. I will go here to offers. You see here they have Ysense offers. They have their own offer wall, which is really cool. Just some things you can do. Just make sure you're paying attention to the description. When it comes to completing offers, that is the biggest thing. Just making sure you're, doing what the description asks you to do. You can see here they have lots of, big money prizes you can win, but just make sure that you're, understanding what they're asking you from or what they're asking you for. I don't think I've ever seen an offer worth $2,500. So, I mean, just really, I'm pretty sure it's not as easy as saying you have to actually win to get that money, but it's just a lot of things on here. Don't be, straight away, but they offered $2,500 for, offer it, not legit. Trust me, look up, Ysense on Google. This site has been around for a very long time. They're legit. There's nothing scam about them. Um, but they have big prizes. I mean, when they've been around for so long and they've had so many members, they're able to offer these kind of things to people. So definitely sign up for it. It is legit. I will show you some other things you can do on here and go back to the offers. You can get paid to watch videos here as well. That's a really good thing. Um, you see here, you can basically get 1 cent. And the thing is, you just let your videos run. You know what I'm saying? Over here, you can get 2 cents, 2 cents for these as well. So just let your videos run. Let those, pennies stack up, because I tell you, like my website says, pennies to thousands. You let these pennies add up, pennies turn into dollars, and you keep letting those dollars add up, they turn into hundreds and so on and so forth. So, I mean, definitely get involved with the video, especially if you're doing surveys and you kind of want to take a break, kind of, want to shift gears a little bit. Go over to the video section, let your videos pile up. You see here this little circle, you can just basically let it run automatically. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, even if you leave the house and go do something, let your videos run. That way you're still making money even though you're not there. So it's just real quick. I wanted to show you really the surveys and the offers. That's how you're going to make most of your money on this site. It is legit. It's been around for a while. I just, really recommend you sign up for it. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Just doing those surveys, doing those offers. I mean, just let your money pile up that way. and just, add this to your routine. I'm continuing to show you guys all of these different websites and apps that I use, and this is one that I'm about to start getting back on. So join me on this journey. Like I said, click the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.